Hello, my name is Led Zeppelin Fan 06, and this is my first YouTube video that I've ever made. I'm new to YouTube. I haven't made a video yet. This is my first one, but it sounds really fun and it looks really fun. I'm a big fan of YouTube and I watch it a lot. And basically, for my first video, I decided I would do a demonstration on how to place a record on a record player or vinyl record. As an example, I'm using my Led Zeppelin album. It's just called Led Zeppelin, and so I'm going to be using this to demonstrate. So I already have my record player plugged in under there, but so yeah, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take your record here, you see, and then what you do, see the record, what you do is you open it up, and the record will be in this little paper holder thing, and I'm gonna slide it out like so, and there you can see the record. And a lot of people like to hold it by putting their hands over the record, but you're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to hold it by the ends. But anyway, so you just place the record on the turntable like so, and then here is the power notch. It says power, and and then you just switch it on like that, and the little light will come on. It also controls the volume, and then the record will automatically start moving. So I'm just gonna, like, on my record player has the needle like this, and it has this little thing just to unclip it, and then it has a little notch thing. It's kind of black, so the camera will be able to get it, but yeah, you see it right there. I don't know if you can, but so you take the little notch, you pick it like that, and the needle will go up, and then you just take it and move it on which part of the record you want to listen to. So if you want to listen to the first song, you just place it on the edge, but you don't want to place it too much on the edge, because it'll come down and it'll scratch up against the record, and it can mess up your record really bad. So don't do that. Just set it like about right there. So and then this song will start playing. Ooh, oh no, there we go. Here we go. And there we go, and then the music starts playing. So then if you want to listen to a different song, you just pick it up and place it on a different part of the album. So we're going to listen to the second song, so you just take the needle, put it on the second little line on the album, the little indentation. I don't know if you can see it because the whole thing's, there we go, you can see it. I might not be able to land it right on there exactly, but part of the second song is going to start playing. I don't know if it'll start from the start, but and there's the speakers, and like so, and you just do the same thing, but with a different, just do the same thing over and over again. And what you're going to want to do is, if you want on this song has this album in particular has 9 songs. Some will have 8 songs, some will have 10 or more songs, but this one only has 9. And there's 4 songs on the front part of the record. And what you want to do is, if you want to listen to the other 5 songs on the record, just take the record and you flip it over to the other side, and then just place it on the turntable. Again, I don't know if they're trying to get it on it without messing it up. There we go, and just like that, turn it back on. Don't want to turn up the volume too high because it's kind of at nighttime now and I don't want to wake anybody up. But turn the sound up a little bit and just like that. And then on the first one there was 4 songs, but on this one there's 5. I think there's the first song right there. There's the other 3. No, that's 1. That's 2. There's a smaller black line. I don't know if you can see it. Then there's the 3rd song right there, and the 4th song's right there, and the 5th song's. I think that's the first one. That's the 2nd one. That's the 3rd one. That's the 4th and 5th one, I believe. But so yeah, this is my first video, and so for any beginners out there who want to buy a record player, this has been a demonstration on how to in the correct way. I don't know if this is 100% correct, but I just got into record players and records and stuff like that, so I'm kind of an amateur at this too. I only have 3 records. I have this album, of course. I have Led Zeppelin's 2nd album, and also I have their 4th album. At first I got their 4th album, and then I had a Queen Greatest Hits one as well. So I had that, but the next morning, whenever I listened to it again, it started sounding very muffled, and it doesn't really sound good when it's muffled. No song really does. So a week or 2 later, me and my mama went back to Target, and then they let us get a new one because we returned that one, and so we traded it in for this one, which is a really cool album. This is probably my favorite Led Zeppelin album. I haven't listened to all of them, but this one, I really like it. Probably my favorite song on the album is either Good Times, Bad Times, track 1, or Dazed and Confused, track 4. They're both really good songs. But, so yeah, and then a few weeks later for my birthday, my family was in Tallahassee, and there was this old-fashioned record store in Tallahassee, and my dad didn't tell me. He surprised me, and we went there, and he let me get another one, which was Led Zeppelin's 2nd album. So that's how I got their albums. Hopefully this Christmas I'm going to ask for the 3rd album so I could have their first 4 albums, because I really like Led Zeppelin and all those kind of older bands. I'm not really into most of the new music, but some new songs are okay, but I don't know. And so these types of records, the albums, they're also called LPs, but they're normally about this size, and they're called 30, the technical term is 33 RPM records. And on here there's a little speed thing, because you can see there's 33, I don't know if you can, it's very hard to see, but there's 33 RPM is what I have it set on, because it's the speed I have it set on because I'm listening to a 33 RPM record. Then there's 45, which is if you want to listen to singles, like, because groups and artists released songs as a single record, as the song, and they have a B-side, which is the 2nd song. So, and they have something for that. There's this little AC adapter is what they call it right there. You just want to take it out, pull it off, and then just put it on there. And because the reason they have that is because on the 45 RPMs, which is the singles, they have it, they're small and they have kind of a large hole, so you just set it down over the hole, and that's how you do it. And then there's also 78 records, 78 RPMs, which are really old ones. They used those a long time ago before I think they had 33s. These were much larger than the 33s. And they also have a speed set for that if you want to use those. So, yeah, this was a demonstration on how to place vinyl records on record players. And thank you for watching. And please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe and stuff like that. So, I hope everybody has a good day, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.